I've had dental problems my entire life, a lot of cavities and so forth, but started going to Dr. Smith, and ever since I've gone to him, I've been extremely satisfied. Dental problems, still had the, cavities and so forth, and those would be fixed. Went through a lot of root canals. It got me to the place where I am now, where it's a lot of implants. My biggest problem with my teeth is my bite was wrong. When your bite's wrong, I was grinding my teeth, and especially at night. And what would happen in the front of my teeth were, the dent was completely exposed, and my teeth were actually at an angle because I'd ground off so much of my teeth. So you constantly get headaches just from the actual grinding of those teeth, and you're constantly gritting. With the change of a bite that we've worked on here for the last year, the headaches are gone, and my muscles and face seems completely more relaxed. With my mouth being relaxed all the time, I don't have, matter of fact, I just had an exam this morning and no cavities, which is a good sign. Because usually if I went to the dentist years ago, it was a cavity, at least one every time that I went to the dentist. At my age and the beating those teeth have probably taken over the years, he tries to save the tooth as long as possible. The majority, from what I understand, the majority of the tooth is underneath the gum. As long as you can save that, and you put your caps on top of that, everything's fine. But once you have a problem with below the gum, then that's when they've got to go in and probably change a different option, which at that point in time it was the implants. And the implants give you a lot more stability than would, if some dentists want to come in and put a bridge in. The implants, to me, actually feel stronger and better than a regular tooth. In the long term, it's a great investment. I mean, it's hopefully something that you're going to have for the rest of your life. I've been to, I think, 4 or 5 different dentists in my life, and Dr. Smith by far shows probably the best quality that I've seen. Extreme amount of care. I mean, after every appointment, it doesn't matter what procedure that you're in for. That evening, you receive a phone call from Dr. Smith, making sure that everything went okay. If it wasn't okay, if you're in any pain whatsoever, he wants to see you immediately. He's real easygoing, real smart guy, can talk to me on the patient's level, which is nice for guys like me. He's done a great job and completely satisfied. Well, some dentists, I think, are still doing the same type of procedures that dentists did 20 and 30 years ago. One thing I can say about Dr. Smith is he's probably as advanced as any dentist I've ever seen and completely up to date. He's got every new instrument you can get. The technology that he has is incredible. When I walk in, I get a feeling of comfort. The staff's extremely nice, extremely knowledgeable, very accommodating on future appointments. There's no stress, no pressure. The overall experience has been fantastic.